This video will explain how to manually update your Sonicu cellular gateway. To manually update your gateway, you will need the following additional hardware: a micro SD card adapter, and a computer or laptop capable of receiving the SD card adapter. Power down the device by disconnecting the power cord from the back of the gateway. Eject the micro SD card from the gateway from the slot on the back. This can easily be done by inserting a paper clip into the slot until you hear a click. The micro SD card should then eject from the device. Insert the micro SD card into the adapter and insert the adapter into an SD card reader of your chosen device. Open the SD card on your device. Delete firmware.bin only, as deleting any other files on the SD card may cause the gateway to not function correctly or lose data. Next, copy the flash.cfg and the firmware.bin files included in the email to the SD card. Remove the micro SD card from the adapter and reinsert it into the gateway fully by pushing it in with a paper clip until you hear a click. Power up the gateway to restart it and it will automatically load the new files. This process may take up to 10 minutes to successfully load the new update. Once this process is finished, your gateway will begin transmitting data again.